Question 14. So, part 1, maximum value of this. Well, if we want to take away something, to maximise this, we want to be taking away nothing, because anything to the power of 4 is going to be positive, so the best we can do is nothing. So how do we make this second term nothing? Well, x has to be 1. Given that x is 1, making the numerator 1, then obviously y is going to be 1 over 5, which is 0.2 for part B. Part 2. Now for B, I've kicked off by doing the binomial expansion of x minus 1 to the power of 4. Just substituting straight into the given formula, we get this for x minus 1 to the power of 4. So substituting that into the function of y, we get y being this. I've just, rather than dividing by 5, I've put it over a fifth. And so it's 1 minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this. So the ones cancel out, but obviously because it's minus all of these terms, all of these signs change. And then I've just put them from the x to the power of 1 up to the x to the power of 4, and that's what we had to show. Now for part C, I've just kicked off, because we're going to integrate in a minute, by putting the fifth, multiplying each of these terms by a fifth, which I've done here, and then to integrate, we add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, which I've done here in black, and then I've just simplified, which I've just done here in red. So we kick off by substituting y being 2 into each of these values. So 2 into each of these, which I've gathered those terms up here, and then we take away when we substitute 0 into each of these, which is 0. So then I've just simplified this here, gives us 40 over 25 minus 32 over 25, 8 over 25, which is 0.32 meters squared.